Hello everybody and welcome to Hey Kids, Let's Draw. Today we're going to be drawing Carolina Panthers running back and superstar Christian McCaffrey. We're going to start out with our black marker and we're going to find that middle of our page and the middle of our page across. We're going to draw his chin just above that middle line, okay? His chin's going to be a little bit more square, so here we go. Go down. We drew his chin a little sharper than we do some of our others. And Christian McCaffrey was drafted 8th by the Panthers in 2017. He came from Stanford University out in California and was the AP College Player of the Year. So this guy's a superstar, one of the players that you want on your fantasy football team, and that's for sure. We're going to draw the head coming up from these ears. And then he has kind of this short little swoopy hair on top with short sides. Okay, we'll draw these eyes, big round cartoon eyes like we do with most of our sports players, Funko Pop style. And we are going to draw a circle, a little circle. That's going to stay white. We'll draw a circle around that, and that's going to go black for the pupil. And then we'll draw some blue around that pupil for Christian McCaffrey's eye. Okay, so now let's do the neck. Christian McCaffrey kind of has this thick neck, so we'll do some lines down. They go down to a point right here. The neck goes down to a point. Now let's draw the shoulder pads. Okay. 1, 2. These fun little shoulder pads. And his waist connects up to that shoulder pad. Alrighty, so we're getting the outline done, kind of sketched out. Let's do the arm out here, maybe doing a stiff arm, so a short, long, down, over to the glove. Alright, so we'll do thumb, his thumb right here, finger, another finger behind, another finger. So he's kind of stiff arming the defender coming to get him. And over here, let's do something different. We're gonna do maybe him tucking, kind of holding a football. So this will be a kind of a challenging one, but this will be the bottom of his hand. So we have a thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this football's kind of rounded, tucked in to his body there. Okay. And his arm going over there. So he's running with the football, stiff arming the defender, and he kind of wears this undershirt. And now we'll do this guideline. His pants will go down, up into the guide point, to the waist. All right. A couple of square socks. And now let's draw the big cleats like we like to do. These are like big clown shoes. A couple of bumps for the shoelaces. And we'll do two big shoes. We're gonna bring these straight line over now. Straight line, stop, connect to the ankle. We're gonna connect that line with a straight line. Alrighty. You know, Christian McCaffrey was a Heisman finalist back in 2015 when he played for Stanford in college, and he actually lost to someone that we've already drawn, Tennessee Titans running back Derrick Henry. So those are two amazing running backs that came out of that class of 2015. Derrick Henry and Christian McCaffrey. Cool. There we go. The shoes, the pants, the jersey. let's draw the number 22. So straight line, angle down, down, over, up. Okay. Lots of angles. You kind of have to pause or go find an image on Google or something that shows how to draw these numbers. They can be challenging for young artists. So if you need to pause the video and slow this down, that's just fine. Number 22 there. All right, he has a black outline, black V to his armpit. That's gonna be black. This is gonna be black. All right, so a couple of stripes here on the pants. Great. So now we have the Christian McCaffrey outline. We are going to color the skin flesh, kind of a blonde hair. We're going to do a turquoise jersey for the Panthers, white pants, white shoes with a stripe, and then we'll outline Christian McCaffrey to finish it off. And we appreciate you guys drawing with it. And you know what? I just realized Christian McCaffrey has the most receptions by running back in the NFL. So this guy is more than just a running back. He's one of the most versatile players in the NFL. He catches the ball more than any other running back in the NFL, which allows him to score lots of touchdowns and lots of yards for his team. So thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw, Christian McCaffrey for the Carolina Panthers.